Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Palvi Dev and this channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, all beauty hacks and whatever's new in the market, we're gonna try it and review it. So आज की वीडियो हम बना रहे हैं Pinterest आउटफिट्स पे. Yes, मैं अपने Pinterest को स्क्रॉल कर रही थी एंड आई फाउंड सम बेसिक आउटफिट्स. नो बट मैंने ये कभी ट्राई नहीं किया, जैसे मोनोक्रोम आउटफिट्स हो गए और द ट्रेंडिंग आउटफिट्स दैट लुक गुड, but I haven't tried and I'm using only the clothes that I already have. And मैंने कुछ पिक्चर्स डाउनलोड किए हैं Pinterest से. It will come on the screen and then we will style it. मतलब मैंने ये सोच के फोटोज देखी हैं कि उसमें से एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 थिंग्स I have. I mean, likewise, in a photo, the one thing I should be having a trouser, or the thing I should having a shirt or just top. One thing I should have and other I will jugaad. So let's get into the video and see how it comes out, and I hope it will look good and I don't look like a disaster. So let's get into the video. So the first one is very basic outfit, that is white t-shirt and beige trousers. I have them both but I haven't tried this combination, so let's try. I know it's looking little bit off. Let's accessorize it and then see how it comes. For that I'm having a belt, brown belt and brown bag. Let me show you. It's both brown belt and brown bag. I think hopefully they goes well with this. And I had this same chappal, so let me just wear it and come. In the video she has worn just a watch that I am having, so I'll put up a watch. She is wearing some rings, so I already have 2 rings, so I'm not wearing any. Is the purse I'll be carrying. This is the final look. Let me go back and show you the full outfit. This is the full outfit and I hope you guys like this one. I'm loving it. I guess if this outfit, I guess 9 out of 10. So the another look is white on white monochrome look. For that I have white trousers and same I have white shoes. I have tan belt or tan bag, but I didn't have a white crop top that she is wearing. So उसके लिए मेरे पास एक जुगाड़ है. Yes, that's a जुगाड़. मेरे पास एक white bodycon dress है, तो आई थिंक मैं उसको फोल्ड करके उसकी टॉप बना सकती हूँ. सो लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई इट एंड कम एंड यू गाइज टेल मी if it's looking good or bad. And this is me. This is a dress that I have changed into a top. I hope it is looking fine, but this is the white trouser. So this is the all monochrome look, and you can see from back. I know it's looking little bit messy, but I guess jugaad ke saath this is fine. So this is the front, and she is accessorizing it with brown belt, brown bag and white shoes. Brown belt and brown bag that I have worn before, I am taking them. And for white shoes I am having these Jordans. These are not pure white or all white, so but I think it's near about same. So let's wear it and accessorize it फटाफट से. So this is the final look. White dress became a top, white trouser, brown belt, brown bag and white, not so white shoes, and I think it's looking really good. I'm liking it, and this hat came out to be so beautiful, and I like this one, and I like this outfit, and I will rate this outfit 10 out of 10. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know in the comments if you guys liked it or not. So the next outfit is again the monochrome black on black look, and for that I didn't have a black t-shirt, so I borrowed from my brother, and black trouser I had, black shoes I had, but I don't have a black bag, so I have to jugadu that. Let me put on a t-shirt and trouser and then come. And I'm back. I wore the black t-shirt. This is my brother's t-shirt and the black trouser, and in the picture she is wearing a black belt, black shoes and black bag. The only black bag I own, let me show you, the only black bag that I had. So I think इसके साथ काम चल जाना चाहिए. This is not looking that bad. Let me accessorize it quickly. Put on a belt and then shoes and then come back. I have put on a belt, and for shoes I didn't have that Chelsea shoes. Chelsea na? That boots I didn't have. I had the black sneakers, so I'm wearing this. So this is the final look. I have the bag with me, the belt and the shoes. Let me show you the full look. This is the full look. This is giving some street style vibes. I don't know why, but I think this black on black is okay for me. I will rate this 7 out of 10 because street style, something like this is not my style. So let's get into the another one. So the another outfit is same as this, black t-shirt, black trouser with black belt, but with the beige or brownish bag and brownish or beige flats or ballerinas. So I have similar kind, not exact same, but similar kind. For that I had this beige bag that I will carry, and these brown ballerinas. These are the only brown ballerinas that I have. So, and this is the beige bag, and this is the final look. And I am probably liking this more as compared to all black, because that was giving some street style vibe. So this is, I think, more of my style, and I think it's looking good, and I'll rate it as 8 out of 10. It's looking really good. Little pop of color I think need in an outfit, so I think this is a good one as compared to that all black. And let me know your opinion on that. And this is the final look. Okay, then let's get into the another one. Next outfit is with the white shirt, denim and a black waistcoat. The black waistcoat I already had, but I didn't wear it even for once. So I'm really excited for this outfit. Let me quickly put on a white shirt and the blue jeans. Let me come back. So I wore the white shirt, blue denims, and she is wearing black waistcoat. Let me show you the waistcoat that I had, but I haven't wore it once. See, its tags are even there also. So Let me just quickly put it on. And she is wearing black shoes that I'm wearing, as I have shown you that also. Black shoes I'm wearing, and again black bag that I am not having, so I'll be taking that again. So this is how it is looking. I think it's looking really good. I'm so excited. Let me wear it. Let me wear the black shoes and wear the black. Uh, she's not wearing a belt. Let me wear the shoes and have the black bag. I am back. I am loving this look. I have wore the bag like this because that was not looking good, and wore the black shoes, and this is the final look. I'm really liking it. And I tell you guys a story. I bought this waistcoat, but because मैं थोड़ा आर्म्स को लेके थोड़ा कंसर्न रहती हूँ, सो इसलिए मैंने कभी मतलब मैं बहुत रेयर डालती हूँ कट स्लीव्स, एंड मैंने ये ले लिया, बट इट वाज नॉट लुकिंग दैट गुड. सो मैं एक वो ही ढूंढ रही थी कि मैं इसको कैसे डालूँ, एंड आई थिंक आई हैव फाउंड द वे टू वेयर इट, एंड दिस इज आई एम लाइकिंग इट. होप यू गाइज लाइक्ड इट टू. I'll rate this 10 out of 10. So the another outfit is the black and white combination, the only combination that is left. And the picture, and in the picture she is wearing white t-shirt, black trouser, black belt and black bag, all the things I have that you have seen in the video. And let me just put together and come. I am back with white t-shirt and black trousers. So I'll wear a black belt, but I also have a sleek one, so I'll wear a sleek one with this, with black heels and black bag. You all know only one bag I have. So these are the heels I'm gonna wear, and this is the belt that I'll wear. This is a dress belt, so I think it will look good more than the broader one. And these are the heels. How to show you? These are the heels, and the bag, I'll wear it like this only because the other one is not suiting me. And this is the final look. This is overall a good basic outfit. When you have nothing to wear, you can wear just white basic t-shirt, black trousers, and good to go. You can also wear the white shoes. It will look good. I'm damn sure. Final outfit, as you guys can see, and I think this is looking good. 8 out of 10 times. I like it. And this is all for the video. I hope you guys like this one, and please let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.